What's up guys, welcome back to App Geeker channel. Today, we're going to talk about 3 quickest and easiest ways to transfer iPhone photos and videos to your Windows 11 laptop or PC. In today's world, we take photos and videos every day. And sometimes you might have photos or videos that you want to transfer to your Windows computer. The transferring between iOS and Windows might not be as simple as being on the same platform, but thankfully, with the right tools, you can easily transfer iPhone photos and videos to your Windows 11 computer. Without further ado, let's dive in and see how to transfer your iPhone photos and videos across platforms. So the first tool that can help you transfer your iPhone photos is a desktop function, the Windows File Explorer. But before using it for data transfer, you need to install the latest version of iTunes on your Windows 11 laptop. You can go and download it from the Microsoft Store, or just simply click the download link added in the video description below. Additionally, the transfer also requires a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Alright, once ready, you're able to start the photo transfer now. So firstly, get your iPhone connected with your Windows 11 laptop. And open the File Explorer to look for your iOS device under this PC or devices and drives. The File Explorer will detect your phone automatically if your Windows has the iTunes installed. Alright, then double-click on your iPhone. And remember to unlock your iPhone if it asks for the permission to trust your computer. Okay, then, open the internal storage folder, and double-click on the DCIM. Now, from here, you can select the photos and videos you want to transfer, and copy them to your computer's hard drive. Or you can create a new folder on your Windows desktop, and then copy and paste the selected items into it. And that's it. Your iPhone photos and videos are now safely transferred to your Windows 11 with ease. However, in some cases, the File Explorer might be unable to detect your iPhone or read the content on it. But don't worry, we've got you covered. There's another option that can be used to transfer photos and videos between your iPhone and Windows 11 computer. That is to use the iPhone Data Transfer application. It's designed for all iOS users to transfer files from or to their devices. And it's very friendly to beginners. Alright, let's get started. So, firstly, you're gonna install this desktop app on your Windows 11. You can head to appgeeker.com and find it in the product list, or just click on the download link that I shared in the video description below. Okay, once it's on your computer, open it up. And next, plug in your iPhone to your computer. Make sure to unlock your iPhone as required. This allows your Windows 11 and your iPhone to communicate with each other freely. Alright, to transfer your iPhone photos and videos, select the Photos tab from the program's left side. And here, you can select what files you want to move to your Windows 11, and also add files from your Windows 11 to your iPhone. For example, to move your iPhone photos and videos to your Windows, tick everything you want, or simply select them all. Then from the top menu, make a single click on the computer icon. Here you'll reach the Export to PC option. So, select it, and choose a save location on your Windows. Then all the selected pictures and videos will be transferred to your Windows 11 directly. And if you're also willing to add pictures or files or your Windows 11 to your iPhone, click on the Add button at the top. As you can see, this iPhone data transfer software allows you to add local files and folders to your iPhone in a very straightforward way. You just need to pick what you want, and let it move to your phone. So with this all-in-one application, you can choose to transfer pictures or move files from your iPhone to your Windows 11 laptop, and vice versa. So if this interests you, feel free to click the link below this video to explore more of its features. Alright, the last option we're going to show you is the Windows Photos app. It's a built-in application on your Windows laptop, and can be helpful for importing photos from your iPhone. That said, if you only need to move your iPhone photos to your Windows 11 storage, then the Photos app would be a nice option for a one-way transfer. Alright, in the first step, connect your iPhone with your Windows laptop. And then, open the Photos on your Windows. You can click on the Windows Start button, and search for Photos app. When it shows up, double-click on it to launch it. Now, from the main interface of Photos, select Import from the top right corner, and go ahead with from a USB device. So now, you're able to view the photos and videos on your iPhone. As the same, just select the images you want to import to your Windows 11, and give them a storage location on your computer. Wait for a while for the transfer to complete. And they will be all moved to your Windows 11 from your iPhone successfully. Alright, that's what we have for today. We've shared 3 helpful ways to make the photo transfer from iPhone to Windows 11. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, see you next time.